malanga impela after mhlambi iviki a month, you know, bahamba isikhathi labantu la. Now uJesu uthi kubo ke, take nothing for the journey. uJesu uthi kubo, take nothing for the journey, because it's a very serious journey edinga umuntu apakishe. Kodwa uJesu, don't worry, take nothing for the journey. Yabona, ukushothi nihambe njengabantu angathi niyala iduze kanti niyosebenza manje. But now it sounds like they are irresponsible. It sounds like they are irresponsible. No, the worker deserves his wage. Usho njalo uJesu bazalwane. Isisebenzi sifanele inkokhelo. Kusho ukuthi uJesu ufuna ukubatshela ukuthi if you can be faithful kule call, kule assignment, ngeke nilambe. Bazalwane, uJesu unayo a provision, you know, for us. A provision for us unayo uJesu. So ingakasho njalo. Yabona nje mawuyibuka from Matthew chapter 10, ukhuluma same words uJesu. Ukhuluma wona lawo mazwi lawo, you know. Uma ufunda verse number 10 mhlamba or ngiqale ku9, uthi acquire no gold, no silver, no copper for your belt, or copper for your belts, no bags for the journey, or 2 tunics or sandals, for the laborer deserves his food. Kushuthi nodla endleleni. Nani ngathembeka ukwenza lento enithunywayo, your needs will be provided for. Yabona. So lento bazalwane njoba uJesu simbone eyikhuluma iyatholakala ngapha kuMatthew, iyatholakala ngapha kuLuke, iyakutshela ukuthi ikhona lento iyaphila. Uma senza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu asidependi emandleni wethu, sidepende ekutheni uma senza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu, your needs will be provided for. Your needs will be provided. Kunabantu abanezinto ezidingwa nguwe kodwa lewe noyiphethe abanayo. Badinga umuntu ozobaxoshela amadimoni, badinga umuntu ozobasiza baphole, and uma ngabe bengaphola, they can do anything, they can thank you like anything, with anything and anyhow. Yabo, kodwa awuyi lapha as a beggar. No, we are lapha with authority, because you have been given authority. Yabo, so uthi ngaphathi lutho sebenze sifanele inkokhelo. So abanye abantu bazalwane, ama struggles abaphakathi kwawo, noma sebathi umuntu athi sengizame konke akulungi, akakazami konke, ubalekela the main thing. Khona abantu uThixo abadalela ukuthi they must preach the gospel and bayenze ngendlela kaJesu, but they are not obedient. That's why they don't see that breakthrough. Yeah, man. Khona abantu uNkulunkulu ababizela ukuthi they will support umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu, you know, akabanikanga emlonyeni, ubanike ezandleni. Yeah, man. Kodwa khona abantu abanikeze emlonyeni, yeah, ukuthi nina yena is full time la nina, angisho yabona. And labantu labo, if they don't do that, they struggle in life. They struggle. Yeah, man. They struggle. So ke uthi ke, whatever house you enter, stay there, from there depart. Because njoba behamba ababuyi ntambama, so bamabangena mabamamkela kule ndlu leyo bazohlala lapho bazi baqeda umsebenzi. Mase baqedile badayi manje sesiright, qedile manje, you know. If it takes a day or 2 days, 3 days, 5 days, a week, a month, badila nalo msebenzi, because now they are preaching the gospel, they are healing every sickness and disease, you know. Yabona, so bafundisa into kaNkulunkulu, angisho yabona. So mase baqedile sebangahamba. So kodwa mangabe bengabamukeli, ngoba yazi bazalwane, khona abantu abathi bemdinga uJesu kodwa bangamfuni uJesu. So khona abantu abathi benenkinga enkulu empilweni kodwa babe very prideful ukuthi bangaze bamukele into oyiphethe. Uyabona, so kule process okuhambisa ivangeli sinayi experience okuxoshwa. Yabona, sixoshwe. Kodwa na uthi uyabheka lo muntu oxoshayo, yena ubona ukuthi ubhalwe ngaphandle ukuthi uyamdinga uJesu lo kodwa akazi ukuthi uyamdinga so ingako he would reject you so akusiyo yonke indawo la khona uzowamukeleka khona no khona indawo zothi na ufika thola ukuthi awamukeleki it's fine don't take it personally no Jesu naye khona indawo see uJesu bazalwane kuthiwa eNazaretha la akhulela khona kula bengazange balamukela khona izwi likaNkuluNkulu ingako kuthiwa akenzanga sibonakaliso eziningi lapha ngoba abantu bakhona esikhundleni sokujabula bamreceive they were offended at him bambuka njengomntana kaMaria umntana kaJoseph the carpenter bathi sazi ngishabo sisibakhe nabo bhuti bakhe how can he be namhlanje kuthiwa now is the Messiah they were offended so bakhona abantu abangeba yamkele lento yena oyiphethe so it's fine ayikho inkinga lapho kodwa bakhona abantu abayidingayo lento uNkulunkulu akunike yona abayo appreciate nawe uzumangala ukuthi kanti ngenzeni yini lengaka engiyenzile kanayi ubathinte enhlizweni babona umusa kaNkulunkulu so ke bazalwane sikhuluma indaba ukuthi now Jesus is calling his 12 disciples ingako kubalekile ukuthi now you must now start praying about this thing ukuthi Nkosi use me I surrender to you use me and now when we call avail yourself vela uthi yimi loyo nami ngikhona I want to do something doesn't matter ukuthi kuphi uhlala kuphi ukuthi kangakanani no you can be you see bazalwane technology you can take advantage of the technology so we don't really need to meet face to face we can talk we can guide each other we can like do everything see la sisebenza online and then uphuma wenza umsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu abantu bambona uNkulunkulu abantu basizakale bazalwane basizakala abantu kunganandaba ukuthi kuphi yabona ngoba isikhathi esikuso sisase ku lockdown social distancing so there's no traveling akunabantu abasuka from another province to another province but we can do umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu kunganandaba ukuthi kuphi la ukhona uThixo ukubeke lapho on purpose on purpose ubeke lapho ngesizathu uNkulunkulu so awudingi ukuthi bese uthi no hayi kube ngiseduze no khona lapho khona lapho right where you are khona into engenzeka so ke kuhle ukuthi uma ngabe sifika lapho bazalwane because if emaduze sizofika lapho ukuthi okay now we need to know ukuthi ubani umuntu othi I am available I avail myself ukuthi ngenze umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu I avail myself sizofika ngempela nesekuseduze sizofika so start praying ingako uthi when he saw the multitudes he had compassion and said pray to the Lord of the harvest pray so start praying now start praying Nkosi ngiyazinikela use me because now uvula amehlo akho bheka around bheka bomakhelwane bheka izinto ezenzakala emphakathini uyabona ukuthi isidingo sikhulu yabonakala ukuthi isidingo sikhulu kushoda abantu bazalwane abazobambisana ngumsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu siwenze sijabulisa izulu yabona yonke enye into esingayibuka ngamehlo esithi sinayo iyosala la emhlabeni so hamba nemphefumulo umqhele esiyoyithola based on ukuba faithful to the call faithful to umsebenzi kaNkuluNkulu bazalwane kodlula konke kodwa izwi lakhe lohlala limile so ke uthi uJesu mangabe benamukela khona nihlale lapho ningahambi kodwa mangabe benganamukeli shake the dust from your feet ungahambi nalama discouragements ukuthi abantu abazange bangamukele lento is simple bazalwane ungabheka abantu abathengisayo because ukuhambisa ivangeli kufana nokuthengisa bheka abantu abathengisayo hambe kokote ezindlini la ethengisa imshanyelo angahamba 10 houses kungathengi nomuntu oyi1 he never gives up but mashoni la uzobe bali profit simply because aka give up yabona so ukuhambisa ivangeli kufana nokuthengisa yabona ingaka abantu abayenze imarketing abangama specialist ku marketing, sales and marketing, they can actually do better, la ekuhambiseni ivangeli, because it's a very same principles. Very same principles. Akunanto ehlukile yiko lokho, yabona. Because ikuhambisa ivangeli salithengisa. Ingakho sifuna sibatshela abantu, So he gave them power, And uma uhamba uyofunda ke manje ku chapter 10 kaLuke. Funda chapter 10 kaLuke. Anbe sifunda chapter 9. Funda chapter 10 kaLuke mhlambe. Kuthiwa la ku chapter 10. After these things, the Lord appointed 70 others. Yabona ke manje. 70 others. Uqale wa appoint how many? 12. So izolo besibona le 12 yokuqala ebatshela ukuthi bangayi kwabezizwe, bangayi eSamaria, bangene nje kuphela to the lost sheep of the house of Israel. Now he appointed 70 others. Yabona? He appointed 70 others. And he sent them 2 by 2 before his face into every city and a place where he himself was about to go. He sent them 2 by 2 before his face. But say by 70. So to me 70. And now agasati kubo ningasayi kwabezizwe. No, agasasho njalo. So 70 others, he sent them 2 by 2 before his face into every city in a place where he himself was about to go. So it's like baya la kade azoya khona. Ngoba kubalekile ukuthi baye la kade azoya khona ukuthi benze lo msebenzi kade azowenza ufibeka khona. Bangayenza into zabo, bafanele benze lokho yena abekade azokwenza efikade khona. And then he said to them, the harvest is truly great, but laborers are few. This is the only company, bazalwane. This is the only company ehlala idinga isebenzi. Company kaNkulunkulu ayikaze yathi no job. Company kaNkulunkulu ay retrench. Company kaNkulunkulu ayina retirement. Company kaNkulunkulu uyabona nje uMoses uqashwe na 80 years uyaqashwa. Ngesikhathi emhlabeni umuntu bathi retire, uNkulunkulu uthi ayihaya you. Yabona? So this is the only company bazalwane la khona kungana umuntu under age, kungana umuntu over age. Kufuneka abantu babe ready nje phela. Uma umuntu ready uyasetshenziswa la. Yabo? So that is why ungabeka noma yipi excuse, kodwa kahle kahle you are the right candidate when for ukusetshenziswa uNkulunkulu. Omunye umuntu uzovela athi ya mara ngifundanga mina. Na it's not about kuyofunda la. Lana bazalwane sisizwa umoya kaNkulunkulu. Nalaba uJesu ayekade bathume esebenza nabo. Majority of them sizwa uma sebe commenta ngelanga incwadini yezenzo. uNkulunkulu esebasebenzisa umoya ongcwele begcweliswa ngamandla kamoya ongcwele. Kuthiwa siyabaza abafundanga labantu laba. Yabona? So ungabeka wena ukuthi angifundanga, ungabeka wena ukuthi yini onganayo. No, you are the right candidate wena ukuthi kube wenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu. So uthi the harvest is truly great. Ukuvuna kukhulu bazalwane kushoti isebenzi. Kushoti isebenzi. Umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu uhamba slow because kushoti isebenzi. Kushoti isebenzi. So the harvest is truly great. Laborers are few. Therefore pray. Pray to the Lord of the harvest to send out laborers into his harvest. Pray. Uyazi mase usemsebenzini kaNkulunkulu, then you will know ukuthi ngempela ukuthandaza kubaleka kangakanani, because uyazi into yenza ubone ukuthi hey lana ngiyabadinga abantu abazonginceda nami is because uyaqaka awuqedi. Awuqedi. Ukwenza umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu is more than ukuba ku program esontweni. Ukuba ne position esontweni. No, ungabe ku position esontweni but still ungabi semsebenzini kaNkulunkulu. Uma usemsebenzini kaNkulunkulu uzithola umsebenzi kaNkulunkulu umningi for you. You need help. You need others to help you. Yeah, akufani ne position. Position umuntu uyafaka ku position, mayeke wafakwa yena vala umnyango. Akekho umuntu ophinda ngena kulo position. makuvela umuntu ongathi potential inyana ngathi idlula yakhe fanele amenze indlela ukuthi